the vital role of catalytic converters in reducing vehicle emissions. Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the catalytic converter, a crucial component of your vehicle's emission control system. In this video, we'll delve into the essential function of catalytic converters in reducing the harmful pollutants emitted by vehicles. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto V Fix, dedicated to all things automobiles. Our mission is to provide you with insightful guides and tutorials to help you navigate the world of automotive upgrades and repairs with confidence. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos. Understanding catalytic converters. Catalytic converters are a vital component of a vehicle's emission control system, responsible for reducing harmful pollutants in exhaust gases. They work by using a catalyst, typically a precious metal such as platinum or palladium, to speed up chemical reactions that convert pollutants into less harmful substances. The catalyst is coated onto a ceramic or metal substrate, which is designed to maximize surface area and facilitate the reaction. The converter is typically located between the engine and the muffler, and is connected to the exhaust system. As exhaust gases flow through the converter, the catalyst facilitates the reaction between the pollutants and oxygen, resulting in the conversion of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxides into carbon dioxide, water, and nitrogen. The evolution of emission standards. Emission standards have undergone significant changes over the years, driving the development of more efficient and effective catalytic converters. The first catalytic converters, introduced in the 1950s, were two-way converters that only reduced carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. In the 1980s, three-way converters became mandatory, which also reduced nitrogen oxides. The 1990s saw the introduction of onboard diagnostics, OBD systems, which monitor the performance of the emission control system and alert the driver to any issues. Today, emission standards continue to evolve, with a focus on reducing emissions from diesel engines and improving fuel efficiency. The European Union's Euro 6 standards, for example, require significant reductions in nitrogen oxide and particulate matter emissions from diesel engines. Advantages of three-way converters. Three-way catalytic converters offer several advantages over two-way converters. They can reduce carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxides simultaneously, making them more effective in minimizing harmful emissions. The addition of rhodium, a precious metal, has also improved the efficiency of three-way converters. Rhodium helps to reduce nitrogen oxides, which are a major contributor to smog and acid rain. Three-way converters also have a higher conversion efficiency than two-way converters, meaning they can reduce more pollutants in a shorter amount of time. Additionally, three-way converters are designed to be more durable and long-lasting, reducing the need for replacement and maintenance. Importance of air-fuel ratio. The air-fuel ratio is critical for catalytic converters to function effectively. If the ratio is too rich, too much fuel, or too lean, too much air, the converter may not be able to process exhaust gases efficiently, leading to reduced performance and increased emissions. The ideal air-fuel ratio is typically between 14.5 and 15.5 parts air to 1 part fuel. This ratio allows for the most efficient combustion of fuel and the best possible performance from the catalytic converter. If the ratio is too rich, the converter may overheat and become damaged, while a ratio that is too lean can lead to reduced fuel efficiency and increased emissions. Catalytic technology in diesel engines. Diesel engines require different emissions control technologies due to their unique operating characteristics. Diesel oxidation catalysts, DOC, and diesel particulate filters, DPF, are used in conjunction with catalytic converters to reduce emissions from diesel engines. DOCs oxidize hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide, while DPFs capture particulate matter, soot. catalytic converters then reduce nitrogen oxides and other pollutants. Diesel engines also require the use of diesel exhaust fluid, DEF, which is a liquid solution that is injected into the exhaust stream to break down harmful nitrogen oxides into harmless nitrogen and water. The combination of these technologies allows diesel engines to meet strict emission standards while maintaining performance and fuel efficiency. The crucial role of diesel exhaust fluid. Diesel exhaust fluid, DEF, is a critical component of modern diesel engines, playing a vital role in reducing harmful emissions. DEF is a liquid solution that is injected into the exhaust stream, where it breaks down harmful nitrogen oxides into harmless nitrogen and water. This process is known as selective catalytic reduction, SCR. DEF is typically used in conjunction with a catalytic converter and a diesel particulate filter, DPF, to reduce emissions from diesel engines. The use of DEF allows diesel engines to meet strict emission standards, such as the European Union's Euro 6 standards, which require significant reductions in nitrogen oxide and particulate matter emissions. Debunking the myth of converter removal. Removing a catalytic converter may seem like a simple way to increase performance, but it has significant legal and environmental consequences. Catalytic converters are designed to reduce harmful emissions, and removing them can lead to increased pollution and decreased fuel efficiency. Additionally, it is illegal to remove or tamper with emissions control devices in many jurisdictions and can result in fines and penalties. Furthermore, removing a catalytic converter can also damage the engine and other components of the vehicle, leading to costly repairs and potentially even engine failure. Moreover, modern vehicles have sophisticated onboard diagnostics, OBD systems, that monitor the performance of the emission control system, including the catalytic converter. If the converter is removed or tampered with, the OBD system will detect the problem and trigger a warning light on the dashboard, indicating that the vehicle is not operating within emissions standards. This can lead to a failed emissions test and potentially even a vehicle inspection failure. In addition, removing a catalytic converter can also void the vehicle's warranty and potentially even lead to legal action. Many vehicle manufacturers have specific requirements for the maintenance and repair of their vehicles, including the use of approved emissions control devices. Removing a catalytic converter without the manufacturer's approval can be considered a violation of these requirements and may result in legal consequences. In conclusion, catalytic converters play a crucial role in reducing harmful emissions from vehicles and are an essential component of a vehicle's emission control system. While they may seem like a simple device, they are actually a complex and sophisticated technology that requires careful maintenance and repair. Removing a catalytic converter may seem like a simple way to increase performance, but it has significant legal and environmental consequences and can potentially even damage the engine and other components of the vehicle. By understanding how catalytic converters work and the importance of maintaining them, we can help to reduce harmful emissions and protect the environment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on automotive technology and maintenance tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post new videos. See you next time.